everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Rachel and I am the creator here at Tie a Little Bow. I have not made a YouTube video in forever, years I think, but the videos that I have made have been planner related and I am still very much into planners. I do have an Instagram account that I will link down below if you are interested in following me there, and I post more regularly there than I do on YouTube. So if you are planner crazy like me, you can check that out. So today I got my Emily Ley order delivered and I am so excited. So I decided that I would do a quick unboxing video for you guys. Now I ordered this on launch day, which was last Wednesday, and the shipping notification came to me this week on Tuesday, so just a couple days ago, and then I received it today on Thursday. Now, there was an issue with shipping. They used a new warehouse for this launch, and I guess there was a bug in the system that caused orders to ship out of order. So even though I ordered very early on launch day, orders that were placed after mine were shipped out first. Now, I'm fine with that. I don't care. That's fine. It's a growing pain and they fixed it and all is well, all is good. The planners don't start until August anyways. So I ordered a daily bundle and the sticker book. So I am so excited to open this box and show you guys everything that I got. Let's do this. I am so excited to show you guys everything that is in this box. So I am just going to set this aside and pull things out one by one. So in the daily bundle, you got an option for a pen. I chose the Pilot Precise V5 Happy Stripe pens. If you're not aware, Emily Ley did a collaboration with Pilot for this launch and came out with a set of pens that match the Happy Stripe colors. I'm really excited to try them out. I am currently using a mix of Papermate, Inkjoy Gel, and Staedtler Tri Plus Fine Liner pens in my current Simplified Planner, and I do enjoy these, but I am also really excited to try out the Happy Stripe pens. These are Emily's favorite, and if they're her favorite, then I must give them a try. I'm hoping to do a series of videos on the Simplified Planner, like a pen test, a plan with me, maybe a comparison video between the 1718 and the 1819 academic planner. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, go ahead and leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and I will try and get those videos out for you guys as well. Second thing that we got in the bundle was a page marker. I chose the Happy Stripe page marker. So what I am hoping to be able to do with this is my current Simplified Planner, and I started using this in January, so I have some pages that aren't used. And what I'm hoping to be able to do is, let's see, these are days I didn't use. Okay, so I'm hoping that I will be able to clip a whole week's pages together. Yes, that is so perfect. Oh, I'm so excited about that. So that I can easily flip from here, and I'll put a big sticky note on the next week for things that don't have specific days. So I'm so excited that that holds so nicely. Yes, I'm so excited about that. So that is my plan for the page marker. Now, in the daily bundle, you also got your choice of stretch bands for your planner, or stretchy bands. So these are the stretchy bands that I chose. This is the Daily in Navy and Kelly Green. I'm really excited about these because they're going to match the watercolor floral planner perfectly, and they will even match my current planner perfectly, so that I will be able to use them for the next couple months until the new planner starts. So I'm going to open these and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here they are, and they have the cute little pineapple emblem embossed on there. And I'm just going to try this one out on my current planner. Oh my goodness, that fits amazingly. It holds so well, does not slide off like the current planner band that I'm using, which is a cloth one. Yes, okay, I'm so excited about that. Holds everything intact and looks so cute. Love it, okay. All right, another thing we got to choose was a mini notebook. So this is the one I chose. I chose the gold dot because it's simple, it's streamlined, it's classy. Okay, I opened it up for you. So my plan for this notebook is to use it to write down my ongoing lists that kind of continue on from year to year. So like books that I want to read, gift ideas for friends and family, movies I want to see, music that I want to check out, projects that I want to finish around the house, just different things like that. I know that I could put those in my phone, but I really do not enjoy using my phone for that kind of stuff. So there is the mini notebook. And I got these label stickers. You were able to choose one set of her standard stickers. The ones that I currently have and I'm using, I have the colorful dots and the flags and the icon stickers already. So I figured I would grab the label stickers because they are the one functional sticker that I don't have yet. The other one that she sells is the colorful doodle stickers, like what they have in the front of the planner, but I got the sticker book, so I figured I didn't need more of those. So I'm excited to try these ones out. The last accessory included in the bundle were paper clips. She has so many cute paper clips to choose from. I chose the pineapples because I figure it's one way that I can incorporate more of that pineapple symbol into my planner. The last accessory that I got, which was not included in the daily bundle, but I purchased it separately, was the Simplified Planner sticker book. I am so excited for this sticker book. I have seen a few pictures online and I'm excited to get in here and see what they look like in person. Okay, so I took the wrapping off and I am just going to open it up. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Party time, happy birthday. So this is a page with some spring stickers on it. Here's some summer stickers. Oh, look at that little seahorse. That is so cute. We've got fall, so farmer's market, football, Black Friday, give thanks. This little ghost and this pumpkin. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Christmas and Hanukkah for the holidays. Malakaleke maka. I'm so excited that that sticker is included. That's amazing. Buy my Simplified Planner. I'll put that down in May of next year, of course. Grace Not Perfection. I love that. School stickers, first day, last day, test day. Ooh, girls' night, ladies' night, date night, wine glasses. I think I might need some more of those with 2 kids, yeah. Oh, some cleaning stickers. These are really nice. Clean out your cars, dust surfaces, declutter. I love that. Some food icons. Look at that avocado. That's funny. More food icons. Some watering cans, nail polish bows. These are just cute little icon stickers. Arrows, very functional. More arrows. More arrows. Flags. Those are so cute. And the colors are perfect. They match the Simplified Planner perfectly. That is one reason I really wanted this sticker book, was because I really like just everything matching and not having to worry about what stickers to use where. Even though I love using stickers, it became very overwhelming in the past for me. So these are perfect because they all match all the time. Some icon or emoji icon stickers. Those are cute. Coffee. Oh yes. I need a lot of that as well. Me time, little photos. And exercise stickers. I should probably use more of those. Don't we all say that though? And that is the entire sticker book. I'm really excited to use this. Okay, last but certainly not least is this year's 2018-2019 Academic Daily Simplified Planner. This pink box is absolutely gorgeous. It is the brightest, happiest pink I think I've ever seen. If you aren't aware, this is Emily Ley's 10-year anniversary with her company. So they did it a little different with the pink box this year. So usually they have this navy box, which is also extremely gorgeous. I use mine to store extra Post-it notes and stickers and things like that for the year. So I love the navy, but this pink is such a nice change and something just a little bit different. Embossed with the gold foiling. It's got your type of planner down here at the bottom, so you don't even have to open the box necessarily to know what planner is inside here. And now let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so inside the box, you get a little blurb here from Emily, and here you get a little booklet that gives you a little bit of information about setting up your planner and how to go about doing that. If you are new to planning, this can be very helpful. And here is the planner. This comes so nicely wrapped and protected. So it was in, this box was wrapped in plastic, in the big box, which was wrapped in bubble wrap. And then the planner inside this box, as you can see, is wrapped in bubble wrap, which I will take off right now. And then underneath the bubble wrap, the planner is wrapped in some more plastic just to protect it really well. I so appreciate their attention to detail when it comes to packaging. Okay, so here it is, the Watercolor Floral Daily Academic Simplified Planner. This cover is so gorgeous in person. I don't know if you can see, but there's gold foiling like in the middle of the flowers, gold foiling around the label. Simplified Planner is in gold foil. We've got little pineapples on the flowers as well, which is such a nice little touch. The back looks like that. I will do a more in-depth review and comparison from last year's planner in a different video, but I will just open this up really quick and show you guys. So here you have your pocket inside, which is a perfect spot for the mini notebook. It fits right in there. I love that. You have your stickers here, the colorful doodle stickers, and then you just go into the guts of your planner. We've got a letter from Emily simplifying the 2018-2019 calendar, the holidays. This is the new simplified prep work. Routines. I'm not going to go into this in too much detail right now because I will do a separate video on this. Your bucket list, and then it goes straight into the months and the days, and the months and the days, which is one thing that I absolutely love about this planner. It is so simple, hence the name Simplified Planner. I love it. And let's just look at the navy band on the planner. Looks so cute, matches perfectly. We will also look at the green band, which also matches so perfectly. Oh my goodness, I am so in love. So there it is, everything that I got in my order from Emily Ley. I am so excited to get everything set up, to start testing out all of these accessories and really using them on a daily basis for keeping my life together and in order and planned out so that I don't lose my mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are interested in seeing more about the Simplified Planner, a pen test, a comparison, walkthrough, etc., go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and also like this video so that I know you guys are interested, and feel free to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.